Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove or hide recent activity from appearing in the new tab or Firefox home page. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Firefox and select the menu icon up at the top right. Go ahead and left click on that and go down and select Settings. On the left side, select the Home button, and then on the right side, underneath Firefox Home Content, you want to uncheck Recent Activity, or you can keep Recent Activity, the Master Control option checkmarked, and then you can unselect certain options you do not want to display, such as visited pages, bookmarks, most recent downloaded, as well as pages saved to Pocket. You may also want to uncheck the option for shortcuts that will show or display sites you have saved or visited recently. So I'd recommend unchecking both of these options, honestly, if you just want to kind of do a better job of just hiding more recent activity from appearing in the Firefox web browser new tab page or Firefox homepage, depending on how you're using that page. You might call it something different. That's why I'm referring to it as two different things. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.